All right. 3, 2, 1. 1 point for me.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I never made it in.
Hey, retry that.
Okay, redo it. Nice.
Real.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, bet. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go.
Now it's my turn.
Oh. You want to try it with paper? No. Okay. Come on. Wait. Hear me out.
Come on.
Alright.
All right, 1 to 1.
1.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Well, what disc do you have on?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That is not
There we
good. I come back.
go. Just because of this.
He lives.
2.
Come on.
Well, did it?
Push it over. Come on.
Your spin is mine, Insta.
No.
Yes.
Well, yeah. I mean, dude.
Let's see.
I don't
It's 2 to 1.
I got
Yeah, you're in the lead.
genuinely worried there.
Ready? 3,
I don't know
2, 1.
what this.
Yeah, there we go.
2 to 2.
2 2.
3, 2, 1. Very interesting.
Oh, it's gonna cook up soon. See you in a little bit.
Oh, that was me.
Ultimate reboot. Go.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo,
Hey, extreme finish.
3, 2, 1.
I will not be outdone in the same spin. Come on.
I don't know about that.
Just live longer.
No. Fall over.
No way.
Fall over. I used airbending. Pushed over.
Bro, it's an airbender. I bet. That was waterbend.
What's that? Is that 4-1?
Yeah.
What is up with this?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. The first left stick all the well, except first one is.
What will we charge up?
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Well, free. Wait, was it free or? Well,
Louis.
Louis.
No, Louis was first.
Yeah, Louis was the first
Okay,
lesson.
yeah, never
Then
mind.
free.
Yeah.
free was free wasn't that bad.
No, I don't have it. I'm losing my hits. There we go. There we go.
We're going to specifically have a left spinning dragon-based Beyblade. It's what happens every
Come
gen.
on.
Yeah.
Too many dragons.
Yeah, too many dragons.
Oh,
Hey, make a left spinning.
Like all the animals went away. I don't know.
You're
Do
fine, Insta.
other stuff.
I wanna.
Do a sheep.
But every gen is one left spinning dragon.
No, we need a
We need
tiger.
something different, bro. Give us a tiger, a leopard.
Yeah.
Do a possum.
I'm really happy they did a shark.
A raccoon, if you will.
Well, they have that like
If they're
kind
a
of like
raccoon,
sharks
I'm
before.
naming it. I don't care.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Go shoot.
Ah, not enough firepower.
Well, I think like a Gundam one would be cool.
That's
A
Bandai.
Gundam Beyblade
That'll
is
never
crazy.
happen.
I know.
That's the one that won't happen.
Armored Core could.
Yeah,
3,
that's true.
2, 1.
Come on, Insta.
Dude, like an Armored Core one would be sick. No, Kamen Rider is Bandai.
Why won't you fall over?
It's Toei, but Bandai is fine.
Oh, let's go! First finish! Whoa! Let's go!
Dude,
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait, what?
they're gonna freak out.
Woo!
Everyone in Modelbladers is gonna freak out.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Are this
Okay.
printed?
Yeah.
That's sick.
All right, so that's 6 to 3.
Yeah,
Alright.
3, 2, 1. I'll get you back for that.
we'll see. Now it's my turn. Come on.
It's on Ultimate Reboot, so.
Something else. Just fall over.
I'm waiting for it to reboot.
Come on. Just fall. It already did. Come on.
Oh.
7-3.
It's close. You need another power shot like that.
3, 2, 1.
You're mine, Insta.
No.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Nah, that burst is sick.
That was sick.
I was not expecting that. That was the last second. Is like, let me just wee.
Oh wait, no, it's stuck.
All right, let me hit you with the ultimate reboot real quick. Overpowered. Overpowered himself. Oh, I got a funny idea. Watch this.
3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Yes, sir.
Alright, yes, guys. Okay. You want to try?
Come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Do these work in here?
Yeah. Well, they don't have bits, but they're actually battling pretty well.
Okay. Yep.
Just keep on hitting. Keep on hitting. Keep on hitting. Come on.
Good luck.
You are going to
Oh, that tilt killed me.
Do you want to do that? No. Okay.
Come on. Just fall. Stand.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, you can't lie. That was smooth.
That was smooth.
You can't lie. That was smooth.
8-3. Counts. 3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Yeah, come here.
What do you mean? This is my wizard.
No, that was it for you.
Just you wait and see, bro. My ultimate reaper's gonna cook in. Oh!
My wizard.
See what I told you, bro?
I'm excited for chapter.
Look at those. Look at them hard hits, bro.
I think it would be funny if they
Come
sold
on.
like the Beyblade puncher.
Fall. Just fall. Just fall.
As
Just
an
fall.
accessory?
Scrape and fall.
Or if
And
they
I'll get
had
my
that
win.
at a tournament.
Ah!
9-3.
I'd rather push this down. This one has kind of pops up.
Oh,
I guess you guys don't.
You were halfway. You were halfway to bursting.
9-3. Is that it for you?
That's what,
got it?
that's what you think.
3, 2, 1.
But you don't play for winning. You play for fun. 3, 2, 1.
That's it for you.
No, sir. I don't think so.
I was debating
Just you
remem-
wait.
or memorizing the lines, so like one of the matches I just
Muster out the biggest hit I possibly can.
something might happen.
Okay.
You tried.
Now this sounds crazy, but maybe I shouldn't be shooting so violently with it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
You tried. It was a nice try.
Oh, that actually worked.
Miracle happens again. Bro, what are you on?
Merge.
You're on. You're no way. I'm losing to something on merge. All right.
He was spelled this way, right?
I'm.